How to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Hi everybody, if you want to recover your deleted drafts on Instagram, you can follow the steps. So you can open up your Instagram and head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you are there, at the top right corner, you should be finding 3 horizontal lines. You can tap on it to open up a menu. So from the given menu, you can go to the option that says your activity right here. This one, tap on it. Once you do that, you should be finding this section where you will be given the recently deleted and archived post. Go ahead and tap on this option that says recently deleted. From this section, you can tap on the type of content you would like to restore. For example, you post, reels, or archive stories. So you can tap on that, and at the top and in the bottom you can find 3 dots. Tap on it. After that, you should be finding option that says restore. Tap on it to restore. Confirm this restoration. And that is it. That is how you basically recover the deleted drafts on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.